Hello friends, this is Shweta and welcome to our channel Indian Pharma Guide. Today's lecture pharmacological definitions, and these are the basic things we have to know to start a new career in pharmacy field. And what is pharmacy? Pharmacy is a science of identification, selection, preservation, standardization, compounding and dispensing of medicinal substances or drugs. Next one, clinical pharmacy. Clinical pharmacy, it involves the pharmacist to educate the patient about the complaints and counseling the patient on how to take the medication, monitoring for errors in drug therapy with the cooperation of physician. Next definition, drug. A drug is defined as any substance used for the purpose of diagnosis, prevention, relief or cure of disease in man or animals. Pharmacology. Pharmacology is derived from a Greek word pharmakon and logos. Pharmakon means an active principle and logos means a discourse. Pharmacology consists of detailed study of drugs, particularly their actions on living animals, organs and tissues. Pharmacokinetics. ADME reactions plays a major role in pharmacokinetics. ADME means absorption, distribution, metabolism and the excretion of the drugs. Next one is the pharmacodynamics. Pharmacodynamics is the quantitative study of the biological and the therapeutic effects of the drugs. Pharmacoepidemiology. Study of the use and effects of the drugs in large number of people. And pharmacoeconomics. Pharmacoeconomics is defined as the analysis of the cost of drug therapy to the healthcare system and the society. Pharmacovigilance. Science and activities relating to the detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse effects or any other drug related problems. Next one is the pharmacogenetics. Study of how genetic differences among the individuals caused varied responses to the drug. Therapeutics. A branch of medicine concerned with a case of disease or relief of symptoms if includes drug treatment. Next one is the toxicology. Toxicology is defined as a science of poisons which includes detection and measurement of poisons as well as a treatment of poisoning. Chemotherapy. Drug treatment that uses a powerful chemicals to kill a fast growing cells in our body. Next, receptors. Macromolecules with which drugs interact to produce their characteristic biological effects. Agonist. A drug which initiates a pharmacological actions after binding to the receptors. Next one is the antagonist. Drug which binds to the receptors but does not elicit a pharmacological action. It causes the receptor blockage. And that's all about the basic definitions, and please subscribe our channel for more interesting videos related to pharmacy.